You can now build diagrams more naturally with curved connectors. For example, if you want to draw a connector that loops back to a previous step, you can use a curve instead of a sharp angular elbow. This makes the flow much clearer and more organic. You can customize these connectors just like any other types. You can add labels, change their style, and adjust their path. After adding a label, you can fine-tune the curve by simply dragging the control points to adjust its shape and avoid overlaps. Curved connectors also make mind maps easier. Their smooth lines group ideas together and keep your brainstorming flow readable.